And as this match gets started, we're looking at an unflinching superstar ready to throw down.
True words spoken. She's been itching to get this fight started for quite some time now, but it'll be interesting to see if she's bitten off more than she could chew.
I believe she's come into this match with the exact attitude needed for the challenge.
Yeah, but she's got to face off against one of the most destructive competitors we've ever seen in the women's division.
An absolute warpath since she came to WWE. She is unlike anything we've seen before.
She was clearly waiting for... Oh, my gosh!
Nailed it. Shining Wizard.
Referee in position.
She's trying to get this thing done as quickly as possible.
Face plant.
Shots to the body.
Boom.
She turns it right around with a counter.
Super kick. Target acquired and destroyed.
Oh, saw it coming.
Closed fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break up a move. Cover.
Oh, foot's delivered, shoulders down.
Maybe she knew that wasn't going to put her away, but it definitely kept her down for a beat.
She's got to be upset that the count went that far.
She scores big with the counter. Right into a spine buster.
Ooh, what a forearm club. Incredible.
Looking bad for her here.
Yeah, but too soon to be worried.
Sit down. You don't want to be in the ring for this.
Don't do this.
This move is gross.
It's humiliating.
Oh, the stink face.
I think I'm going to be sick.
Turnbuckle's the only thing keeping her upright.
With the counter.
Uh-oh. Counters that with an arm drag.
Amazing effort by her. Shining Wizard. Looking for the victory.
She's not done yet, but you have to believe that she's still in all sorts of trouble here. And proving a bit slippery for them there.
These two showing how well scouted they each are. Working the midsection there. Driven down into a flapjack.
Running swanton. Incredible athleticism.
She's rising back up on those wobbly legs. Retaliated with a head-turning clothesline.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there. Able to counter.
Arm is trapped, looking for the Northern Lights suplex. Uh-oh, there's more to come. The final cut.
That offense really hitting her hard.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of the match.
No quarter being given by either competitor. You have to believe this one's going to be decided by the smallest of margins.
She did her homework there. Oh, what a wind-up. Boom. Uses the edge of the knee. And now she's looking to go top rope. Uh-oh, time to fly. Able to evade.
Now this is going to hurt.
Will that be the deciding factor?
That's gotta be it. 2.
Kick out. That was the end of her.
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3
millimeters.
Was not able to seal the deal with her best move. Now she's asking, what more can I do?
Into the midsection, into the pump handle. Here we go. Roll the credits. This one's done. There's two. Escaping that pin must have taken almost everything she's got.
Well worth it. Look how frustrated her opponent is.
A big opportunity falling through their fingers. You've got to continue fighting, and hope your next big move is the last one.
Shining Wizard.
Sends the knee into the face. That'll stop you. Oh, that backfired on him. Turning the tables.
Springboard drop kick.
Up and...
Face buster. Man, that kind of move makes a statement. Cut off with a kick to the gut.
Another reversal.
The superstar's locked in. The Fuji.
And the ropes break this one out.
Great ring awareness there.
The pillars of this building must be crumbling from the energy these fans are putting out right now.
These superstars are giving it their all, and this audience is giving it right back.
Boom!
Oh, Byron, sit down. You don't want to be looking for this.
Don't do this.
This move is gross.
It's humiliating.
Oh.
I know what comes next, and it is awful. It's as bad as you could expect.
On the power, the strength of the Dominator.
Can she shut the door on this one?
Two. Kick out. I thought he was finished off for sure.
I thought for sure this thing was wrapped up.
Well, stay in your seat. Let's